Like, we gotta fly to Hawaii. We're not driving. We're gonna go to House Egg.
I'll meet you there.
You can fly? You don't like going all out. You wanna go to Alright, good.
Good? We're good. Hey, what's up, everybody? So, this box right here is from auctionsomething.com. The auction company was Keystone Auctions or something. I don't know. I ordered this over. I won 4 auctions in this thing, and they crammed it all in one box. The short video you saw earlier. I mean, it's all bowed, and there's a hole in one side of it. There are some glasses in here. Drinking glasses, vintage drinking glasses. I'm not feeling too comfortable with this. I think they might be damaged, but let's find out. Let's open it up and let's see if I don't cut my finger. I need glasses because I really don't see what I'm doing here. And they put my worst enemy in here is popcorn. I freaking hate popcorn. Oh boy. Ooh. Gotta make sure the dog doesn't get that.
You get a trash bag?
Alright, pause. Okay, we are back. We had to get rid of all that popcorn that was in here. These look like all the glasses. So, these are Return of the Jedi or Empire Strikes Back, one of the two. Let's see. They did a good job bubble wrapping them.
Why don't you get a box cutter?
From Burger King.
Yeah, the Burger King glasses from.
Wouldn't a box cutter work faster?
Wow, these are in. There's like no wear on these at all. It's like they've been sitting on somebody's shelf.
At least I dropped it.
It looks like they've never been in a dishwasher. Put that there. Yeah, that was really
Return
nice.
of the Jedi.
That looks tough.
I'm not gonna open all of these. They're.
Tell me how to think. Lay me on your riverbed tonight. They'll be chasing after us. I can't remember where you said it was. Are we different or are we the same? Are we different or are we fair game?
What is going on, everybody? So I completely screwed up this video yesterday, so I'm going to try it again today. So we got a box in, and it had a bunch of stuff I won at auctions. We're going to go through a little bit now. There was a lot of these comic books, different ones from manga, I guess they call them. There was this box set, Bambi and Her Friends. It's a limited edition box set of kind of dirty comic books, I guess, and they're autographed by the artist. This Kenner, Luke Skywalker and Princess Leia statues. This is brand new in the box. This was never taken out of the box. A lot of these Japanese cinema magazines. Return of the Jedi and Empire Strikes Back's glasses. They're in fantastic condition. I don't think they've ever been drinking out of or put in the dishwasher. A lot of Farscape cards, autograph cards and patch cards. I bought a big lot. I won a big lot of NASCARs and Hot Wheels and Wacky Riders. Kind of cool looking cars. These branch cars, when I looked them up, they're going for like 45 bucks a piece, which is nice. And these wacky riders always sell. People love these cars. I ended up getting 2 bigger ones. Right there. And there's just a whole lot of cars here. And Monopoly cars there. 2 more of these magazines, or manga comic books. So that's that lot. I hope you enjoyed this, and like, subscribe, and all that other good stuff, and we'll catch you on the other side.